Ah, there she is. Morning, Ben.
Morning, mate. How are you doing?
Oh, thank you. You're putting my bag in the boot. That's
I know,
very kind.
gent, aren't I?
We parked under there last night, and it means that the car is now completely caked in all of this stuff, which is a little bit annoying. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look, it's everywhere. Oh well. Anyway, we've got the whole squad here this morning. We've got the 320D over there. I was just chatting with the owner. He's only had to fill up twice, and we've had to fill up like 6 times in that, along with everyone else. We've got the Golf R, Mr. Pat with his clearing his of all of the crap. It's ruined your lovely wrap, Luke. He's not happy. M2 looking sick, and the Abarth also looking sick. It's amazing. It's so cool having all these cars here together, and cheeky 320D sitting in the corner there. Lovely. Anyway, I shall stop waffling to the camera now because we have got stuff to do today. Today we are heading over to Monaco, which is sort of the main event of this road trip, is to go to Monaco. We're only spending 2 nights there, the rest of the crew is spending longer. But yes, before we do head to Monaco today, we are visiting the Lamborghini factory. I visited Ferrari and Pagani yesterday. This morning we're hitting up Lamborghini just before we hit the road to Monaco. So anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna get my last bag in the 35 IS, join Ben, and we're gonna hit the road. Guys, I was just chatting with Ben off camera. We're just in this first room at Lamborghini, which is unbelievably stunning. There's some really cool stuff in here. We're just having a look at this, and we were discussing potentially doing like an engine swap in the 35 IS.
Lamborghini V12 Z4?
Yeah, I think that would... We were going to probably put in an offer with the guys, find some salespeople here and...
Grand?
See what...
Engine swap?
A grand or 2 maybe, yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Let us know in the comments what you think, maybe a V12 Lamborghini engine Z4 35 IS.
It would definitely fit,
The
wouldn't it?
DCT would definitely be able to handle it as well, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Original gearbox, everything. Original brakes.
Could you imagine? Could you imagine? So then I'm now walking up the stairs to I think what is probably the main attraction, and oh my goodness, there is a few, wow, special cars in here. Right behind me, as soon as you walk up the stairs you're greeted with this Reventon. Next to the Reventon, as if that isn't enough, there's a Sesto Elemento. Very nice Huracan Performante there, with an SVJ just behind it. Then we've got a Murcielago SV, another SVJ over there, a Diablo SV, Miura SVJ and Miura SV. And then in the corner, we've got a Centenario and a Veneno over there. And also this blue car, which I don't actually know what it is, so I'm going to go and have a closer look at that. So I've wandered over to this blue car. It's an Asterion 910-4. Luke just told me it's a concept car, which obviously never went into production. I wish they had made this. It's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Especially from the back. Beautiful. Now I have to confess that this is actually my first time seeing an Aventador SVJ, and I absolutely love it. I think it looks bonkers. Of course, this is the first time I've seen one, so I'm yet to see one on the road. I think when I do, that would be nuts. And I've just noticed over here, there is an Aventador on the wall, as you do. So yeah, we just left the Lamborghini factory, which I actually really enjoyed. I think it was the best out of all the ones that we visited, to be honest. What did you think?
Yeah, it's my favourite brand anyway, so I loved it. I was freaking out.
It was awesome. Well look guys, I am not going to film any B-roll on this journey because I feel like it'll be much of the same from what you've seen from the previous few videos. just sort of cars on the road on a motorway. But yeah, once we get to Monaco, I'll pick up the camera again and I'll show you guys around. But yeah, needless to say, we're both very excited to get there, so I'll catch you guys in a bit.
5 hours later.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to, well, not quite Monaco, we're in France still. We're about 8 or 9 kilometres from Monacoville, which is the, well, Monte Carlo. Yeah, it's been quite a long drive over here today. Hiya.
Hello.
Oh dear, but yeah, we're all here. You can see the whole squad over there. We've got the Z4, we've got the M2, we've got the Abarth, we've got the 320 and the Golf D. But anyway, who cares about the cars? Because look at this place. It's a dive. No, it's not. It's lovely. We've got a pool, we've got an amazing view of somewhere in France, maybe Menton or something like that. And let me take you inside of this residence because it is very large. There's also further seating over here beyond the pool. Look at this. All we need now is the sun to properly come out so we can get in there and chill over there and enjoy that incredible view. Inside the house though. Oh, hello Ben.
Hello.
Hello, what have you got there?
I have a DJI Phantom 3 Professional.
Oh yeah? What would you rate that out of 10?
Not very high actually.
No recommendation from Ben. Huge balcony that spans the width of the building. And then look at this. Massive house. Music playing. Dining room, kitchen, bedroom. Down here too. More bedrooms. There's 2 bedrooms in there. Another bedroom down there. Bathroom. And my room, which is right down here, which has a balcony, and it's just stunning. Look at this, beautiful. But anyway, I'm not sure what the plan is for the rest of the day. We have literally just arrived, so I'm probably going to unpack all my stuff, take in the view and the scenes, catch up with all the guys, and then I think potentially we'll head into Monaco later on this evening. Here we are then, we've just driven from the accommodation, just heading into Monaco. First time for you, isn't it Ben?
It is actually,
Are you
yeah.
excited?
I am very excited.
I think we've literally probably just got into Monaco now. We're navigating the extremely narrow streets. You've got psychopaths like this who think they're Valentino Rossi on motorbikes, and then also vans trying to park. It's all very sketchy, look at that. But yeah, we are literally in Monaco now. And hopefully there's some pretty cool cars cruising around that we can check out. If I see anything, I will 100% film it. When we get to the bottom of here, Ben, there is a hotel just round to the right, which has some tasty vehicles.
Tasty vehicles?
Well, I did last time. I had a Ferrari, Lambo, I had an Aston. So yeah, there should be some tasty stuff. Some tasty meat. Nice S3. Oh, there's a DB9. That might even be the same Volante I saw right here. Oh, and I saw a Z8 here last time as well.
Christ.
Yes. New A35 AMG. Look at that. Just sitting, just chilling. Here's the hotel. It hasn't let us down. There is a Ferrari 488 Spider, Lamborghini Huracan Spider. A very nice S-Class just sitting there. Through the tunnel! 458 Speciale as well. Why not? Oh yeah.
So an event.
Pista. Right, after all the madness of driving around. CLK 63, very nice, you don't see those often. After the madness of driving around finding the car park, which actually turns out to be just there, right next to the 458 Speciale, we drove past the GTC4 Lusso, and also, you can't quite see it, but the Pista is just around the corner. I'm waiting for Ben to come out of the car park, and then I'm going to head down there to join the others because there is an F12 TDF just chilling. I believe it might be the one that I saw in Monaco last year. Very nice. Rolls Royce behind me. This place is insane. It honestly is ridiculous. But yeah, I'm going to go down and have a look at the TDF and just join the others in a bit of car spotting.
Are you having a bit of trouble there?
Yes, where do you park?
So, basically, if you go down to the roundabout,
Yes.
right to the end,
Okay.
do a U-turn as if you're going to come back up that road. Look, there's a Performante spider. Before you get to where we are,
Yes.
there's like an immediate right turn that goes downhill into a car park. That's where we are.
Over there.
Yes.
Okay.
If you have any problems, just give me a bell.
Will do.
See you later. Oh yes, there's an F12 TDF here, by the way.
Very nice. This is indeed the one that I saw last year, but just round the corner at the docks. This one, the guy that owns this, has a matching yacht apparently. Very, very exciting. Not bad. We've been in Monaco about 10 minutes and there's already a TDF that matches my jumper. Fantastic. Now we've got to find a car that matches my bag. So, casually in the building where the Ferrari 488 Pista is, there is an F8 Tributo in there. I didn't really catch a glimpse of it at Geneva, and I won't really catch a glimpse of it now because it's crowded, but oh, the Pista's leaving. The Pista is leaving. The Pista is leaving. Pista is leaving. I'm just in the car park on my way back to the Z4, and there's some crazy cars in here, as you can probably see behind me. There is a 488 here, expecting like a chocolate colour with a chocolate interior, next to a Portofino, next to a Z4. There's a Cayman GT4 there, a Rolls Royce Phantom, a Carrera 4S, a 993 model, another Portofino here, or is that a Cali T? No, that's a new Portofino as well, in a very nice colour. Then we've got another Portofino, and a GTC4 Lusso, and another Rolls Royce Phantom, and a Thomas Stoner in the distance. Hello. You guys are going to like this. We have come underground garage parking, hunting in Monaco. And I found the BMW one. It's got the new Z4 in it. Z4. These wheels are horrible, but there it is. And I think there's another one as well, in sunrise orange, which looks better. Frozen as well, I think. Oh, there's Aston Martins over there. Oh, there's something that's green as well. Sunrise orange with the frozen grey wheels.
That's the first edition, isn't it?
That is a first edition. Wow, that is bloody marvellous.
That is. That's nice.
New Z4. And I don't quite believe this, but there is a freaking... Is it a Vanquish? I think it's a Vanquish Zagato shooting brake. They are very, very rare. Look at this. That thing is special. And sorry guys, it is super dark in here. I'll try my best to light it, but... Oh wow. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. After our fun and games, taking some photos of the car at the marina and also doing some underground car park hunting, which uncovered some unbelievable cars, we headed back up to the villa for the evening. I hope you guys are enjoying these road trip videos. There's a few more to go before my normal content resumes. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this one, and I will see you very, very soon in the next video.